Welcome to HomePantry Pro, and today we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that's been generating quite a buzz. We're talking about the Our Place Dream Cooker, a 6-quart ceramic non-stick multi-cooker and pressure cooker. Our Place is known for its stylish and functional kitchenware, so the question is, does the Dream Cooker live up to the hype? Let's find out. Right off the bat, the design of the Dream Cooker is a major highlight. It's not your typical utilitarian pressure cooker. The sleek exterior, available in this beautiful char color, is clearly designed to be displayed on your countertop. The stay-cool surfaces and compact footprint mean it won't just be another appliance tucked away in a cabinet. It's genuinely countertop-ready, blending seamlessly into modern kitchen aesthetics. But of course, looks aren't everything. Let's talk about what this machine can actually do. The Dream Cooker is a 4-in-1 appliance, offering pressure cooking, sautéing or searing, slow cooking, and keeping food warm. This versatility is key for any multi-cooker. Whether you're aiming for a quick weeknight dinner, batch cooking for the week ahead, or preparing a more elaborate weekend feast, this single appliance aims to handle it all. The user interface is another area where Our Place has put a lot of thought. It features streamlined touchscreen controls. Unlike some multi-cookers with a dizzying array of preset buttons, the Dream Cooker opts for a simpler, tailored panel. You adjust time, temperature, and mode, allowing for fully customizable cooking. This means no confusing presets that might not quite fit your recipe. It's designed for effortless control, making it accessible even if you're new to pressure cooking. Safety is always paramount with pressure cookers, and the Dream Cooker addresses this head-on with its auto steam release feature. This hands-free steam release system, combined with 9 built-in safety features, should bring a significant level of confidence to pressure cooking. This is a game-changer for beginners who might be intimidated by the process, and even experienced users will appreciate the added convenience and peace of mind. Now, let's talk about the inner pot. It's a 6-quart capacity ceramic non-stick pot. Ceramic non-stick is a popular choice because it's generally free from PFAS chemicals, which is a big plus for health-conscious consumers. This coating is designed to make food release effortlessly, which, in theory, should make cooking things like rice, stews, and braises much easier, and cleanup even easier. A well-designed non-stick interior can really elevate the user experience. The 6-quart family-sized capacity is quite generous. It's large enough to handle substantial portions, whether you're making a hearty stew for a family of 4 or cooking grains for multiple meals. This size strikes a good balance between being able to cook for a group and not being overly bulky for smaller households. So, let's break down the pros and cons based on these features. On the pro side, the design is undeniably a winner, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen. The intuitive touchscreen controls are a refreshing change from overly complicated interfaces. The auto steam release and comprehensive safety features are excellent for beginners and add convenience for everyone. The ceramic non-stick interior is a healthy and practical choice for cooking and cleaning. And finally, the 6-quart capacity offers good versatility for family-sized meals. However, like any appliance, there are potential cons to consider. While the streamlined controls are a pro for simplicity, some advanced cooks might miss having more granular preset options for specific foods like yogurt or certain types of beans. The effectiveness of the ceramic non-stick coating can also vary over time and with different cooking methods, so durability will be a key factor to monitor. And while it boasts a compact footprint, 6 quarts is still a decent size, so it will require dedicated counter or storage space. In conclusion, the Our Place Dream Cooker appears to be a strong contender in the multi-cooker market. It successfully blends attractive design with user-friendly technology and essential safety features. The focus on simplicity in its controls, combined with the convenience of auto steam release and the benefits of a ceramic non-stick pot, makes it a compelling option for a wide range of home cooks. If you're looking for a multi-cooker that's as stylish as it is functional, and you value ease of use and safety, the Dream Cooker is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.